hindi ho ito lahat ay bed of roses. Lahat ho'y masaya at masarap. Hindi. May pagsubok, may kahinaan, may problema. At minamahal sa gitna ng mga pagsubok, problema at kahinaan.
We've been together since 2007, though we parted ways for a while because we were too young and too naive at that time. But communication remained.
The blanket on the coast from the stories old, let the truth be told.
Michelle, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Romel na iyong pakamamahalin, paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Hindi ko sasabihin ko, pero alam ko lang mahal kita. Yun lang. Paulit-ulit lang, mahal kita. Hindi makawala.
What's in my head, falling free like a simple song by ecstasy. It won't let up, on and on, a familiar sound calling home.
Kayo'y tapat sa isa't isa. Kahit may mga tukso, mananatili kayong isa. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng unity of marriage. Pangangalagaan nyo ito sapagkat ito'y regalo ng Diyos.
Take me where the sun is shining, watch the mist roll down the mountain, a place where we can go. This time of year the leaves will change, holds a beauty I can't explain, the place.
Here we are today in front of our parents, family, and friends on our wedding day. It took a while to get here because we were chasing our dreams, but when Cruz came into our lives, it became clear that it wasn't just about the two of us. We needed to provide Cruz with a complete and happy family.
Masaya dahil matutupad ko yung pangarap namin. Na isa sa pangarap namin.
That makes me weak, a love I've never known. The glimmer in your ocean eyes, the way they catch the morning light, the love I've never known.
Romel, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makisang dibdib si Richelle na iyong pakamamahalin paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Apo, Father.
You can take my hand and make it reality.
Madilim man, maliwanag. Wala man ako sa tabi mo. Lagi ka na sa puso at isip ko. Kayo, yun lang.
I promise even when it's hard, I'll be right there where you are. The love that we can know, the love that we can know.
Palagi kitang pipiliin, ipaglalaban at mamahalin kahit dumating ang araw na ayaw na natin sa isa't isa. I will always hold your hand so you will not be alone. I promise that I will always by your side. Pangako sa iyo, sabay na natin bubuuin ang mga pangarap natin. Mahal kita.